Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel today. I'm reviewing one of the best-selling storage solutions on Amazon, the Yizosh metal garage storage cabinet with 2 doors and 5 adjustable shelves. If you're looking for a durable, lockable, and stylish cabinet for your garage, office, or home, this one might be exactly what you need. Let's take a closer look. This is the 71-inch steel storage cabinet from Yizosh, designed for maximum strength and organization. It's made from heavy-duty cold-rolled steel, giving it a strong and stable structure that's built to last. Each of its 5 adjustable shelves can hold up to 180 pounds, so you can store tools, files, equipment, and even heavier items without worry. Security is also top-notch. This cabinet includes a high-grade locking system with 2 keys, perfect for keeping your valuables, important documents, or tools safe and secure. So whether you're using it in an office, garage, gym, or school, your items are always protected. The entire cabinet is coated with an environmentally friendly powder finish, which makes it scratch-resistant and rust-proof. That means it not only looks great, but will also stand the test of time, even in tougher environments like garages or workshops. One of the things I really like is its adjustable shelf design. You can easily customize the height of each shelf based on what you're storing, from tall bottles and tools to small boxes and files. It gives you total flexibility for any setup. With its large 71-inch height and 31.5-inch width, the Yizosh cabinet offers plenty of storage space. The double doors open 180 degrees, giving you full access to everything inside. It's perfect for decluttering your space and keeping everything neatly organized. When it comes to assembly, don't worry. The Yizosh cabinet comes with clear step-by-step instructions and all the parts you need. It's a knockdown structure, which means it's easy to put together even if you're doing it alone. Just follow the guide and you'll have it ready in no time. You can also choose from several color options: black, blue, gray, black, gray, blue, gray, white, red, black, and white. Prices start around $144.99 depending on size and color, so you can pick the one that matches your room or workspace perfectly. On Amazon, this cabinet has over 4,200 reviews with an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, and it's even marked as Amazon's choice. That's a solid sign that buyers love the quality, durability, and performance. Overall, the Yizosh metal garage storage cabinet is an excellent investment for anyone looking for a reliable and secure storage option. It's sturdy, spacious, adjustable, and lockable, everything you want in a modern storage cabinet. If you're ready to organize your space the right way, check out the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the description below so you don't miss my next product review. See you in the next one.